If for any reason you want to get rid of the background in an image and you want to do this really quickly and easily without having to fiddle with complex programs like Photoshop, then this video is for you. This does not even qualify to be referred to as a tutorial because it's really easy. It really isn't a tutorial. So let's dive right into it. And the tool we're going to be using, most of you may have heard about it, most of you may not have, but if you've not heard about it, then you are in luck, because I assure you, you're going to be using this for a very long time, especially if you remove a lot of backgrounds from images. Yeah, so it's called remove.bg. So just go to the website remove.bg and then you're going to be greeted with this page. And one thing I like straight away about all of this, most of these web applications, is the fact that there's not much in your way. It gives you an environment to just go straight to what you came to do. Yeah, so you don't even have to be logged in. That's an option if you want to have a history, I guess, of the things that you do. I don't even think I have an account with this website, but you don't have to be logged in. So two ways: you can click on the upload image and go navigate to where you have the image you want to get rid of, the background. Or if you're a more drag and dropsy kind of person, you can just drag in the image that you want to get rid of the background, and once you start to upload that image, immediately it starts to remove the background, and it takes a matter of seconds, depending, I think, on the file size. It just starts to do the job, and you can see it's gotten rid of the yellow background that we have. And I will give this a 9 out of 10. Really, it does a really good job, especially if the background is very plain and clearly different from the 4. Yeah, but I have noticed, I've been using this for quite a while, and I've noticed that it can be difficult for it to do a clean job if the background has like trees and grasses, like an environment, trees, grasses, sky. So it might cut off some things and leave some things in the background, or even cut into some things that you want to not be removed and stuff. So it might not be the cleanest thing, but 9 times out of 10 I have found that whatever result I got was pretty usable. Yeah, so yeah, that's how easy it is. Next thing, just click on download and then save this into wherever. It does change the name and leave this whole remove BG preview thing here, so I'll just save it with that name, so that it does not have the same name as the original file. And then now you can see that it has gotten rid of that background, the yellow background. So whatever you want to use this for, maybe you're designing an e-commerce store and you want your product images to not have, like I have here, the product images to not have a background, or whatever reason that you just don't want backgrounds in your image. I think this is a really fast way to do it, like really fast. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you found this insightful, or I hope you've learned something new. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Yeah, you get it. You know how it goes. Yeah, and the notification thing. Yeah. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.